Down the toilet or down the drain, when dirty water leaves your house, its next stop is a wastewater pump station. Casey Water operates 39 of them. They receive waste from sewer mains, remove some of the solids, and then pump it to one of Casey Water's wastewater treatment plants. 2 of the stations are undergoing significant renovations.
They were at least 40, 50 years old and had outdated equipment, failing HVAC, failing instrumentation, and pumps that were past their useful life cycle and failing, so they had to be rehabbed.
The Turkey Creek Wastewater Pump Station has been in service since 1962, and none of the equipment has been replaced since then. So the Water Services Department has been band-aiding a lot of the pumps and bar screens.
Bon Marie Gardner is the project manager for the work going on now at Turkey Creek. Among the improvements, a new rock box. It collects, you guessed it, rocks, and prevents grit from clogging up the piping and pumps in the station, which could result in costly repairs. A unique feature of this project was ground freezing, which stabilized the ground so the contractor could safely build the rock box. These photos show what the process looked like. Next, new bar screens that essentially rake debris from the water. This is what they find. Be glad you can't smell it. Pumps, pipes, valves, the electrical system, and HVAC are all being replaced or upgraded.
With putting new equipment in, you're hoping you can get at least another 30, 35 years on the equipment without doing major repairs or modifications.
Across town, the 87th Street pump station is also getting rehabbed. Morris Ross is the project manager.
This 87th Street pump station was built in the 80s. The pumps station itself is in desperate need of repair. So in order to make sure that people's basements don't flood, don't back up with sewage, we're replacing all of our pumps and all the associated equipment so we have a more reliable, more efficient pump station.
Improvements here include new bar screens, pumps, electrical and HVAC upgrades, and new slide gates that let the water in. When the work here is completed, which is expected next spring, these pumps will be able to move up to 85 million gallons of sewage a day. That's a 30% increase in capacity. The work is expensive but necessary, explains Wastewater Division Manager Joel Sendra.
This is analogous to the family vehicle. It may not have completely failed, but at some point in time you're spending more on maintenance monthly on that vehicle, and it's in the shop more than you're using it.
This work is being done to upgrade Kansas City's water infrastructure and also as part of the overflow control program. Casey Water's plan to meet a federal consent decree to reduce sewer overflows in Kansas City's combined and separate sewer systems.